News agency, extraordinary pictures of a great wave of water sweeping across the land. We can now join the head of the Tsunami Warning Centre in Melbourne, Australia. Rick Bailey is on the line. Thank you very much for being with us. First of all, tell us what the tsunami warning is and how far it extends.
Okay, the tsunami warnings for the region are being put out by the Pacific Tsunami Warning Centre. We're monitoring, obviously, down here in Australia what's happening, but the warnings so far are, given that it's such a large earthquake, the warnings are going out for large areas of the Pacific down to New Guinea, Hawaii, and even further north to the Russian coastal areas there. And we're looking at, the earthquake about 6 hours to get to places like New Guinea, because it does travel fast in the open ocean, around about 800 kilometres per hour.
While you're talking, Rick, we're just watching the first pictures coming to us via Reuters news agency of extraordinary wave of water engulfing the entire landscape, presumably near the coast. We're not entirely sure of where exactly in Japan this is, but it's just sweeping up everything in its path. I mean, earlier we had a report that there might be a 1 metre, there had been a 1 metre tsunami occurring, but this is clearly much, much larger. What's the latest information you're getting?
That's correct. The latest we've heard is, and obviously closer to the earthquake centre, just off the east coast of Japan, is where the largest waves are going to be. And I think so far we've seen around 4 metre waves on some of the coastal gauges along the Japanese coast. And I guess, like you're seeing, and I think I'm watching the same images as you at the moment, it's the power in the waves. They're not like normal beach waves. They've got a lot of water behind them, a lot of power and energy, which just keeps them pushing through, and that's the danger in a tsunami wave. We've also got deep ocean buoys reporting offshore, and they're reporting a large wave heading in the opposite direction too. But I think forecasts at the moment are for other places it's a lot lower, around about the 1 metre perhaps. But